Welcome to Module 3, Functions and Modules. In this lecture, we begin a key concept in Python, functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that allow us to structure programs in a modular way. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we define it once in a function and reuse it wherever needed. So, what is a function? A function in Python is a named sequence of statements designed to do a specific job. For example, if you want to calculate the area of a circle multiple times, instead of repeating the formula, you wrap it in a function and call it whenever needed. This makes your code cleaner, easier to understand, and less error prone. Next, let's take a look at types of functions. There are two main types of functions, built-in functions and user-defined functions. You have already come across two built-in functions, print function and input function. But there are some more. Like length function is also there. It calculates the number of letters in a string, number of elements in a list. Okay, we will see, but not now. So there are many built-in functions in Python. Next comes user-defined functions. These are ones we create. Yes, you can create, I can create, users can create using def keyword, def keyword. You will get comfortable with both as we move forward. Next, why use functions? Functions help you avoid repetition. They make debugging easier. They promote reuse. Imagine writing 1,000 lines of code without organizing it. Sounds chaotic, right? Functions help break it down into small, manageable pieces. You will be able to collaborate better when your code is modular. That's it. See you in our next lecture, how to define and call functions. Till then, have fun, take care.